belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want.
Oh, I almost like this color. It came with four headbands and a capsule. So this is the wig. Geniuswigs Headband wig, 14 inches, 180 density, SKU GWH01. So this is the wig. It's from straight to wet and wavy. Okay, it's 14 inches. It's headband wig. This is the band. In case if it is your first time seeing this headband wig, this is how it comes with a band attached to it, and this is the inside. Came with some combs here and an adjustable strap at the back, and the band is round the wig. And this hair, you can straighten it. Then when you wet it, it's going to turn wavy. So I'm going to try that with you guys. I have done my edges, my baby hairs. Okay, you guys know I have damaged edges, so I use some trick to do this. You can take your hair backward. You can bring your baby hairs to the front. You can decide not to do that as well. It all depends on what you want. Okay, so I'm going to style this hair with you guys. I will straighten it so that you guys can see, and I'm still going to wet it so that you can see when it is wet the way the wig will be wavy. Okay, in their website it is fast and easy two wave styles in one wig. Wig will be straight, dry and iron, transformed to wet, coily, wet, 100% Brazilian human hair. I've reviewed so many hairband wigs on this channel. You can check them, and every other one remains the same. It's very, very fast to install. You don't waste time. You just snatch this on. Like I always say, this is carry and go. I call these hairband wigs carry and go. Okay, because you don't need a lot of time. You don't need to waste time while installing this wig. So I'm just going to pop this wig on. Let's see. So you just use the combs to secure it, and the band as well. I'm going to pack it. I like the volume this way before wetting it, so I want to try it with one of those bands. I know it came with 4 headbands. Which one will go with my box? I like this one so much. I'm going to try this brown one. Let's see. Let's try. I'm just going to pass it around. Let me pack the hair first. This is so cool. I love this. I want want to make it so big. Let's see. I like the length, and I like that you can make this look so big. Then also when you straighten it, it will become smaller. So this is it. See the back. That's what I'm trying to do. Oh, see this. For the back. Ah, this is so cool. So cool. See, this is beautiful. I so much like the length, and this hair is very light. It's lightweight. Wow. You see, you don't need to do much. This is all you need to do, and that is it. Okay, let me try it with another band for you guys to see. This is so cool. And you know, this hair is so lightweight. Really lightweight. You see that you can style it the way you want.
Be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can hide.
So you can as well carry it this way, just with the hairband that came with it, the black. You can see this is gorgeous. Just brush the hair out, and that is it. See, I like it big this way. I like it so much this way.
I am running for you. I am running for you.
So I leave a kind of center part. So I want to try to straighten it, let's see, then before I'll wet it. Okay. So straighten it.
If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
So guys, right now I want to wet the hair so that you guys can see. Like I said, you can carry this hair when it is dry like this, and when it is wet. When it's wet, it's going to be coily. So let me wet it so that you guys can see. Okay, let's do that. Okay, see, this is so gorgeous. So guys, I'm in my bathroom. I want to wet it so that you guys will see how it will look after wetting it. So I'm just going to turn water inside. Okay, let's go.
Good days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning.
So guys, this is it. I'm going to add cream. So guys, I'm going to add this cream for coiling hair. So let's add this to it and see. Take a little. I'm going to apply that.
I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight.
You can see. Oh, you can see this, guys. You see the magic? How this transform. You can see this. Let me brush it and see. See this?
Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning and waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, can't go one more day. No, I can't. Day without you. One more day.
Guys, the hair is dry now. You know I said you can change this hair from straight to coily, which I did. So I want to try and change this side from coily to straight. Okay, first of all I'll brush it, then I'll use Babyliss. Let's see if it will work. It's not really dry that much, but I just want to try it for you guys to see. So I put my straightener 220.
I've been thinking, you don't really know one thing about you and I.
I told you guys that the hair is not completely dry, so that is why. But you can see. Then from this, if you want to recoil it, you see that? You guys remember before I wet it, it was like this. So
Just the life you live will never be enough. Why don't you stop?
See, one side is coil while the other side is straight. This is so cool. I think I don't need to do all with these. So you see, I just did it from wet. I did it from wet to straight because initially it was straight. I coiled it. When I added water, it became coil like this. Even if you wet it, you can as well straighten it back in case if you're tired of carrying it coily. So this is the result. So that is it, guys. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? And I will see you guys very, very soon. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.